We are going to introduce you to the TroublePad case. TroublePad is a solution for analyzing malfunctions on production lines. This device consists of a case in which you will find all the equipment necessary for your videos. The case contains a tablet PC, a camera, battery-operated lighting, and mounting hardware. TroublePad software is pre-installed on the tablet. The magic arm provided will allow you to orient the camera in any direction, thus facilitating your videos. The camera is connected to the tablet by a USB cable. The full resolution of the camera is 1280 by 1024 pixels at 205 frames per second. By acting on the resolution, you will reach speeds of more than 500, 1500 frames per second or even more. The optical adjustments are done quite quickly. You will simply have to adjust the zoom, the diaphragm, and finally focus. You also have the option of using a set of close-up lenses. These lenses are useful when viewing close-ups. This allows for a reduced working distance with precise focusing of the image. A wide-angle lens is also available. After a few minutes of installation, you will be able to view your first images in slow motion. Your sequences will be instantly accessible. Here, we will be able to go back to an event and search for a particular moment in the sequence. Thus, we will make a detailed analysis of the malfunction on the production line. We can isolate some fractions of seconds and obtain an AVI file. This file can be shared on a network, for example. So, in a few seconds, we can share our AVI file or send it directly by email in order to be kept or analyzed by other colleagues. It is also possible to export all the images in the sequence as JPEG files. TroublePad is used both outside and inside a high-speed machine in which movements are fast. Here are some examples of use. Technicians seek to see what they cannot see with the naked eye on high speeds. TroublePad can be used on both food processing lines and specific machines. As an option, a trigger box is available in the case, a very practical tool for automating and controlling the software to your machines. The trigger box allows you to start or stop a recording sequence. With the pre-post function, you can keep a few seconds before and a few seconds after the signal from the machine. The auto restart feature will ensure TroublePad is always ready to trap the next machine event. TroublePad becomes an essential tool in your searches for malfunctions or machine settings. TroublePad is used in many industries, for example in the pharmaceutical or cosmetic field, but also in bottling or packaging. As you will have understood, TroublePad is used in many sectors of activity. So why not test TroublePad on your own machines? In just a few minutes, the intuitive interface and the camera will no longer hold any secrets for you. Contact us.